Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is October 11 and I got for you guys a very nice structure here guys. I think it's very clear, very clean and looks really good. So this is the chart of the Meta 60 minutes time frame, previously known as Facebook, and we can see right here we ended with 2 intermediate degree at 495. And then we got a rally ended here. We're calling this as a wave 3, right? So it's a 5 waves rally. Then we can see in the subdivision of that wave 3 subdivides into 5 waves, and now we are looking for what we call a double zigzag or double 3 WXY to finish this with 4, right? Now well, there is always some kind of alternates which I will go into, but for now, just looking at this primary view, if we are indeed going to do another leg down, which may or may not be, because wave 4 could be complete here, to be honest, right? Because we already have 3 waves, so it could have ended with 4 here and then starts to rally higher, which is another possible option. But the idea here is that as long as we stay above 495, any pullback from the peak, which is this one, is going to be a gift. Any pullback is going to give you a buying opportunity, right? And as you know, corrective sequence is 3 swing, 7 swing, 11 swing, and then 15 swing, and so on. So this one is a 3 swing, which may have already ended 4, but if we are lucky, we can get further downside in 7 swing, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and that means the next sort of zone for the potential support is going to be over here, right? W, X, Y, and that will be the area, the 100% and the 161.8% extension area. Now, as you know, this you can sort of double check as well with the retracement. From the Elliott Wave point of view, typically wave 4 retraces around 23.6 to all the way up to 50% retracement of the wave 3. So in the wave 3 technically is this one, right? So if I do the retracement analysis of the wave 3, now you can see that is my 23.6 over here, and that is my 38.2, and that is my 50. So this is usually typically where you can expect wave 4 to end. So let me make it in a little bit different color, let's say red. So then what I'm trying to show here is that this WXY 100% extension area, which is the blue box, overlaps with this red box, which is the using the retracement principle, right? So we can conclude that this retracement is not too shallow because it is already below the 23.6, right? So I think it's typically where we can expect it to end anyway, is what I'm trying to say, from the wave 4. So then that means I think this is a potential support zone, provided we can go down. Another option will be just ending 4 here already and then starts to rally. Now let me zoom out and give you even a better thing. So first, notice here, when we look at the 60 minutes time frame, this pullback was a 3 swing, and so this is telling you the market is bullish, right? If the market is not bullish, what happens is you're going to get 5 waves down with a 1 2 and then a very strong 3, usually 1.618, and a 4 and a 5. That is when the market is kind of bearish, but it is not. It's clearly corrective. It's only 3 swings, only 100%, no extension. So this is by itself, the short-term structure is already screaming is a bullish market. But on top of that, if you zoom out, look at the daily time frame, focusing on the intermediate wave 2, wave 3 here. Now look at this. This stock breaks to new high, guys. So I think there's no more question what the trend is, right? Nobody will say this is a bearish market when the stock makes new all-time high, right? And then so I'm just focusing on this wave 2, wave 3, and look at the latest breakout, guys. Look at the latest breakout. Actually, we can say the latest the significant low was this one and this one. That's the two previous significant low, right? Now look at this from here. 1, 2, 3. No breakout to new all-time high, which has to be by definition an impulse. No impulsive structure ends in 3 waves, and so far we only have 3 waves, right? So this has to be a 1. So this is telling you it has more upside. Now in fact, if I'm wrong, then actually I'm wrong in picking the 3 ended here. It can even still extend higher and still within the wave 3, and on, and it can continue to go up and up and up and up, and basically continues to go higher, right? But let's suppose 3 ended here. Any pullback, like I said, is gonna continue to be bullish and giving you a chance to find the dips in 3, 7, 11 against this wave 2. Now if you look at it from here, then you got another one too. This is another one that it cannot be AB because we break to new high, so this has to be in a higher degree, right? So the higher degree is the primary degree, so it has to be some sort of 1, 2. So we are still nesting, guys. We are still nesting. We break to new all-time high, and I don't see any way this can be ending soon because the structure is just not complete. This one needs to be subdivided into a clear 5 waves from here. It has to be 5 waves, and once that 5 waves is done, that will only end the 3rd wave from here, and then you're gonna get yet another pullback, a bigger pullback of some kind, but that doesn't mean it is bearish. It is still bullish, and I don't see any end yet. So provided that this is truly a wave 4, then if I look at the daily, I need to see 2 more high at least before we can potentially end the cycle from here in a 5 waves. But 2 more highs in the daily, and you know, in the 4-hour day, 1 hour, this thing here subdivide into 5 waves, right? So we're gonna get, I think this entire thing can easily last until end of the year or even going into next year, this entire move up here. So in the meantime, a pullback again is going to give you easy opportunity. I mean, you know the right side very clearly, so that basically you just need to continue finding the next support zone to be able to continue buying the dips. All right, so that's the update here, guys, for Meta. As always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We cover a lot of stocks, indices, ETF, Forex, commodities, and the trial is provided in the description of the video. So see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.